So you know, Doug, I call man in school and ask him if we can carry car. But them say no, them chuck a dirt. Them say them only allow cars to drive on turf. Hey, Jamaica's boss called me here. Forgot called me here.
I'm sure.
He said I need a backup car to get the job done because I'm saying try everything with Alan and it can't work. Look at that. That is an old race car. You know what your name is? Scrammy. Look at that.
People ask them why you want that go.
This car never go on a plane before. It was shipped here to Jamaica in 1963.
What?
No.
Yeah man, and it's still running. Look at that. Maybe see you go for some boys the other day. Wait for them name again. Look a red car in there. Them name. You don't see them come on. Wow. Then still have to come back from it. And Doug have practice. From them time, I said there's a possibility that them going to be running at Jammers. From the last race meet, this car in the trouble, the only thing is, remember we had to do some extensions to the fender.
Yes.
And that's the only thing, so we're just going to spray it out and that's it. But that's about it, car ready. One click start. If you want me to take it out on the track, we can take it out on the track.
Which truck?
It's road ready.
Well, which truck? Which we have?
What about the money? Money's the closest track. No.
Jamie,
Yeah.
will you be running on the 20th and the 21st at Jamaica?
Of May.
It's 2 days.
Yes, quite a
Can get the job done in 1 day.
Damn!
Without qualification.
So will you
As
be,
it's first, second, and third. Me first, Doug second, Alan third, or Doug or Alan can battle it out. Whoever break down first.
so can you defend the turf? Can you defend Jamaica? Can you defend
But I'm telling you now that I was speaking to Mr. Gordon, which is the owner of Jammers. He called me. Says, what's your opinion? Should I proceed with doing this meet? I said, why would you be asking me? He said, well, come on, you don't want me to spell it out. I said, why? Just tell me. I said, alright. Send Alan to do every single thing they can do. Alan and Doug seem to play cat and mouse. Doug break down, Alan win. Alan break down, Doug win. He said, I don't want it to be like that. He want a proper beat.
Okay.
Right? So that's another problem. We can arrange it. The car is ready. I have a little bit of tuning up for you now. We realize so we start taking the thing to the track, so we start do a couple laps. Running though. Not
Okay.
the car. So we're not gonna blame the car right now. The car, everything
We're
is
going to go there with you now.
we're just going to do a nut and bolt check and check all the whole things because you know how it was. It's a very old car.
This is Jamie James.
So we get everything running.
Yeah. Let's start with the introduction, car.
Jamie James, people. The infamous driver of the 007 car. One of the crowd favorites. This is one of the fastest, if not the fastest, evolution circuit that we have here now in Jamaica. This is the pilot. He was not Dover for unknown reason why he was missing. I heard he was off the island. I heard something else, but I'm not going to say it on camera. But now he's back, Jam West, the 20th and 21st. You're going to hear all what's happening. And if Doug is the man, Doug, you heard what the man said. And so come out and watch this epic showdown. It is one you can't miss. It's history. Will Doug lose the crown?
So it's been a while since Doug has run Jamwest also. Last time Doug ran at Jamwest was just us doing some laps, petty laps with the Audi. That's the new supercar. But with a race car, actual race car, I know we may have to do some brushing up. But Jamwest is my home. This car was everything that we adjusted on this car was tuned at Jamwest, and I believe that that's our little playing ground. And I think Alan has quite a bit of experience there too, so it should be fun. It should be a good showdown with Alan and Doug.
Yeah, but I mean, Alan was saying that he has never lost a race at his at home. You've never been beaten here before. You know, so I was saying to him, you know, how will the showdown go between you and Doug? Will you allow Doug to come and dominate at home? But you're saying that Mr. Gordon called you as a surety,
Yeah.
to ensure that the job is done,
Yeah, man.
right?
Sure.
So
So serious, guys. Remember ready. Oh, I see it. This guy is very fast, and we all know Jamie is capable. It's just for him to be there. His manager assured me that all his paperwork is in at the JMC office. His physical is done, so we won't have that drama, and that's over with.
Right.
Moving along, that we want everyone to come out and see this. This is what makes motorsport exciting. This is what we want to see. We want to see if Doug can come to Jamwest and beat both
an
Jamwest.
upset.
Oh, both Jamwest cars, not one but two. Can you imagine Hollywood? Look out.
Yeah, man, definitely.
007.
Definitely.
It's here, I'm serious.
All right. Well, any final word, Jamie, to your fans, to Doug, to Alan?
Well, the final word to the fans is I missed the last Dover because quite the contrary to what people think. I'm really not competing for the championship. I really just love driving. One of the most amazing aspects of my racing here in Jamaica is when you have kids, when you get off of the track and the kids run to you. And I'm always telling the guys, just allow them to go in the car. It's fine, just pay attention to them so that you don't fiddle with, you know,
Right,
the board
right.
and stuff. But at the end of it, that is what I enjoy the most out of the racing. And you know, sometimes I don't even like qualifying at times because when you start at the back, it's more entertaining. And then what would be the sport if it wasn't that entertaining? Sometimes I get in tussles with Doug, and anytime this car gets bruised, Doug is involved. And I said, Doug, what happened? He said, boy, I'm not used to rally driving. So, I mean, I don't have a problem. I'm a sportsman. I'll try to adjust myself to be relative to both Doug and Alan and try to entertain as best as possible. I want everybody to come enjoy themselves. I mean, Jamwest is a tremendous facility. There's a bird's eye view. You can see almost all the track there. And you know, during the day, if should in case we're doing changeovers for the races and stuff, of course, there's so many other entertainment aspects.
Right,
around Jamwest.
zip line, pool.
So,
The attractions are.
for the fans, I guarantee you that you will have fun as long as the cars remain constant. I'm up for the challenge. I'm always one to be cat and mouse with Doug, and I mean, I don't bother to take the trophy. If the car is broken, we finish the race, but we come in at the back, that's fine. And there's no excuses there, but as long as the car is running, I will make sure that I will
Defend.
Doug and deliver to Alan. I don't know, Alan used to race back in the day, some practice races. That's when he just started racing. Now this is the real deal. It don't get no better than Douglas Hollywood Gore. And if David Somerville should come back, but that is it. You're at the top of the table now.
Straight.
You have to understand. I've been racing with Doug. So it's not new for me. So you have to understand this is the first time that he'll actually have to challenge Doug at Jamwest. But if he fails, or when he fails, I really want to make sure he sort it out. And of course, Mr. Gardner will come to me and just a handshake is good enough. That's fine.
My Jimmy, you're on front.
People, listen to me. Save the date.
May 21st.
May 21st. Be there. Come out early. We're qualifying on the 20th, so the meet will run smooth. We have time. Come out, meet Jamie. Come out and see him. Come out and see the 007 car. This is a pilot. 876th Street. Oh.
Big up.
Alright.
Kajan, seat, security tight. Everything set. Nobody can trouble the car until the race day. Dog dead.